In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a channel private in Slack. Whether you're managing a vibrant team or overseeing multiple projects, there may come a time when you'll want to restrict access to certain discussions to maintain confidentiality or focus. By converting a channel from public to private, you ensure that only a select group of members can view and participate in its conversations. Let's get started. First, you'll need to head over to slack.com and open up your specific workspace. If necessary, log in with your credentials. Once you're in, you'll be able to see the list of channels on your workspace's sidebar. Slack channels can range from broad topics to very specific projects, so make sure you're selecting the right one for this adjustment. Next, locate the channel you wish to change to private. This will likely appear on the left sidebar. Once you've found it, right-click on the channel name. This right-click action will trigger a drop-down menu with various options relevant to that channel. In the drop-down menu, select the option that says View Channel Details. This step is essential because it presents the various settings and information associated with the channel, allowing you to configure it as needed. This Details pane will typically appear on the right-hand side of your Slack window. Once the Details pane is open, you'll see several tabs such as About and Members. Click on the Settings tab, which will house all the configurations related to how this channel operates. Navigating through settings in Slack is generally intuitive, so you should have no trouble finding this tab. Within the settings, scroll down to the bottom of the list. Here you'll find the option labeled Change to a Private Channel. Selecting this will initiate a process that fundamentally alters the privacy settings of the channel, making it invisible to those not invited. A confirmation window will pop up, asking if you're sure you want to make this change. Making a channel private is a permanent action, meaning it can't be undone. Only proceed if you're sure that this is what you want to do, as once a channel becomes private, it will stay that way. When you're ready, click on Change to Private to complete the conversion, and there you have it. A once public channel is now accessible only to those you've chosen. Remember, private channels are not visible in searches by those who aren't members, so this is a great way to secure sensitive discussions. Keep in mind that while privacy is important, open communication often fosters collaboration and transparency, so use this feature thoughtfully. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Stay tuned for more Slack tips and tricks to enhance your workspace experience.